It had been a few weeks since our last outing, and the crew and I were starting to itch for some fish. I did an oil change on Tiny Tina, my 1993 Toyota 4Runner, to prepare for the kilometers ahead. All packed up and with fresh oil, we set off south. Oh, and this time we're bringing along Ken, and another dog named Penny. After we left the highway in favor for a gravel road up into the Rocky Mountains, we hit an unknown traffic jam. After some waiting, we discovered it was the Shock Trauma Air Rescue Service, or as we call it here in Alberta, STARS. STARS provides rapid and specialized emergency care and transportation for critically ill and injured patients. We hope everybody was okay.
We just went through like the gnarliest part of the road, and the back window was like wide open, and we almost lost a whole food bag, but it was safe. Oops.
After arriving to the spot where we would call home for the night, eager to go walk down the hill and fish, I locked my keys in my car. After about an hour of finagling, Ken finally got it open.
Who's got the record button? Record!
I got it.
Because I can see it from where I'm at. I was going other side.
Or yeah, I can record it too.
Yeah, do it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready, boys?
Yeah.
Is it recording?
It's open. Unlock it. There go.
Woo! You went through the seal, bro. That's what I was saying. You guys were going on the other side.
Well, like,
That shit's good.
just glue it.
After that experience, I was excited to go to bed for the night and eager to fish in the morning.
Are you rolling?
Yeah, where are we at?
I think we're at Livingston River.
What are we doing?
We're fly fishing. We got Amir and Dan. Look at them go.
They're gone.
They gone. Already rigged up.
Fresh Fish episode 4.
We deep. Did you fall? Dude, she's screaming.
Look at her go,
Bro, she is such a nature dog. She's like, this is so sick.
The fishing didn't last very long in the morning as we all got hungry. I had one fish on but lost it, so nothing to see there.
We just pulled up to this spot here. A nice, big, deep pool, and we're seeing some rises, so we're gonna try and fish here for a minute. It's our first spot after breakfast. First fish, rainbow. But dude, the bull was chasing it.
There was a bull
Chasing it.
Yo, yes. Let's go, bro. It was swimmer. Swimmer up, bro. All right.
Yo, that's beautiful. Yusuf just caught a nice rainbow trout. You just saw the clip. And as he was pulling it in, a massive bull trout was trying to feed on that rainbow. It was crazy. Craziest thing I've seen all year. Oh, perfect cut he just caught by Ken. Absolute beast on a little hand-tied.
Hand-tied.
Hand-tied fly. Let's go. Here you go.
That's a good shit.
Fish, bro.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah.
Can you hold this? Let's go, Ken.
I got a
Beautiful.
dog.
Dude, that was nice. That was perfect. I was like, pull. Boom. Take. Oh, he's good. Just take him out.
Oh, I just might have hooked him again.
Oh, you good.
Is that ours?
Ball?
A ball. Let's go, Ken.
Fat release on him. Nice, Ken. Here, take the net. No, Ken hand-tied that one.
Oh, Ken did it. Oh my god, that's even better. That's even better.
That is a nice fish, Ken.
Okay, Archie, here you go. You can eat it.
Grab him and hold him upstream, so, hold him so that he. Oh, he's good.
Hand-tied, baby.
Hand-tied. Let's go.
There was a lot of us fishing this hole, and after we caught those two fish, it seemed like it was going to calm down for a bit, so decided to go for a quick little dip. After our little swim, we decided to work our way through the river a little bit to try and find some more holes to fish.
Good job, water dog. Here's on a nice cutty.
There he goes.
Is he gone?
He's right there. On there, on there.
Oh, he's good, he's good. Just let him go, just let him go.
Alright, I'm letting go.
Little did we know that would be the last fish for the day, as we would head up
Oh, Garky.
and just hang out for the night.
Good dog, Ken.
Ken would leave that night, leaving the 4 of us to fish the next day. The next day we left the Livingston River, packed up our camp, and headed to a different river to fish for the day.
So nice.
A lot of these rivers have one thing in common.
Oh my god, bro.
They're hard to get into.
That's Matt's seen it. Yo, Amir.
Yeah?
What water body we on?
Can't leak. I can roll cast across this shit.
Yeah, Amir's already on.
It is.
First person net.
Open it.
Big fish, big fish.
Shit in my water.
Oof. Ooh.
Beauty. Alright. Don't escape.
He's gone.
Alright.
Kind of missed the release because we were trying to get a photo, but it's all good.
Oh, you're trying to get the photo?
Yeah. Alright, let's see if we can run up one more here. Yeah, this. It's good. Grab the net. Yeah, on that. Sure. Petty. Big take on the PMD, bro.
Yep, top water.
Top water PMD, bro. Second cast I threw it on, bro. Second cast.
After that, Dan was the only one that hadn't got
You
on
hold
a
the net
fish,
well.
so I was going to give him a fly.
What, this one?
Make your choice. Yeah, that one.
This is a booming dog, no?
Which one wait, is it darker? It has a lighter body, right? Yeah, the lighter body is what I was running.
This is?
Yeah, I have the ones with the darker bodies and the lighter bodies.
Oh, I see.
I don't know. Alright, this spot's getting a little bit too pressured, so we're gonna head upstream from here and see what the next spot holds. Hopefully 6 more fish.
On the way downriver, Amir hooked into another fish.
Hey, yo, get here, bro. Huh? Wait, bro, wait. Oh my God. Oh, yo. Oh. Holy fuck, look at the size of that bitch. Oh my God.
I know, Benny.
Look at this monster.
Oh, that's a big fish, dog. Beautiful.
Take out this hopper. Look, it's a big ass.
You're okay, Penny, you're okay.
Alright, I got the hopper. You wanna hold this?
Oh, it was just in there.
Yeah.
Crazy. It's not his.
Yo, I wanna measure this shit first. Can you hold the net?
Bro, it's 16. It's 16. It's 16.
Alright.
You're good, Penny.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Good shit, good shit, good shit.
They're better than me.
Let's go. Yeah, yeah.
Let go.
We decide to leave the river and head upstream to a different hole.
Penny, Kate, come here.
The falls held some fish, although we've discovered that they were all quite small and not that noteworthy, really.
Oh, it's small as fuck.
What the fish is that? That's a bully.
No, big boy. No.
Yo,
Biggest fish in the trip. Let's go. No, it's Cuddy. Wow. On the dry, bro. It's good to catch the small fish first because then they don't scare the big fish.
Something about the falls just called, and we needed to go swim in them. If you enjoyed the video and want to see what kind of adventures we get up to next, don't forget to subscribe, maybe like the video, and we will see you in the next one. Tight lines.